I never bought milk again after discovering this recipe. Today I'm going to show you a super easy recipe for making milk with melon seeds. It will be an excellent alternative for people with an intolerance to cow's milk. In addition, it will be a great savings for you because you will not spend money buying milk from the market, and to start, we will use a medium melon. Now we have to open it in half to take out the seeds. In case you don't know, melon seeds are a very nutritious and tasty food. And very good for your health. Most people know that fruits contain many nutrients. But what many do not know is that the parts we reject from the fruit, in particular, seeds in Scotland, they are also very rich in nutrients, offering many health benefits in some cases. More than the pulp of the fruit and the melon seeds contain many minerals, such as potassium, copper, and lipids, among others. Has more vitamins than the melon pulp itself. And now that we have removed all the seeds, let's put it in the blender. Add all the seeds. These seeds are very valuable for our health. And we will also add 300 milliliters of water. And did you know that almost 90% of people throw these seeds in the trash? And turn on the blender for about 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes in your home, this tip is very important and cannot be hidden. Teach your friends and family. Why are so many people lactose intolerant these days? And it is an excellent alternative to cow's milk. This is melon seed milk. It has a very mild flavor and is really a bit like cow's milk. Now that the milk is ready, vegetable milk replaces traditional milk very well in any recipe that you are going to prepare and that needs milk, especially desserts, for example. And if you didn't know, melon seed is the healthiest and most wasted food in the world. So do you like me after discovering this recipe? Never waste melon seeds again. You can use it in cakes of all kinds that use milk, as well as in your breakfast, in addition to being very healthy. We also avoid waste, right? And we also save money because there are many health food stores that sell these very expensive milks. It was the advice of the day. I hope this tip is good for you. Stay with God, and see you tomorrow.